What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. I just got back from a couple of different vacations and had an amazing time. I haven't had time to make a new video, but it was an awesome time with the family, hanging out with friends. Actually went to Mexico for a whole week. Had an amazing time over there. Also went to Southern California, to the beach and did some ATVs. That was really fun as well. But I'm just sharing this with you to show you what your life can look like, right? Once you have a business that is working for you 24/7, once you set certain strategies in place. And so really awesome. The coolest thing though is that while I was gone, my team members were winning. I mean, I was seeing team members welcome new people that took action, and now they're positioning themselves to earn those $300, $150, and $50 commissions. Ton of people left and right were welcoming other people that got started inside of the team. And so that's always exciting, right? Knowing that your team members are also winning. While I was gone, all these different $300 commissions came through, as you could see. But had such a great time. I'm showing you here on the screen just the different notifications that I was receiving. One weekend, it was like a $900 day weekend. That was awesome. And it's all thanks to taking action when it comes to affiliate marketing. Beautiful thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to create your own product. You don't have to create your own service. You just need to plug in to a well-established opportunity and take action. Learn the strategies, learn how to brand yourself using the power of social media, learn how to drive traffic, right, to the opportunity. When somebody takes action, they purchase one of the levels, you get paid 100% commission. Simple as that. Really cool thing is that we just did an interview with Jenna. She's an awesome entrepreneur, and just did an interview with her, a live Facebook session a couple days ago, and she is completely crushing it. She is bringing a ton of people in. She's helping them change their lives as well, and she's having $900 days, which is awesome, phenomenal. And I'm just sharing this with you to show you and inspire you, and show you what could be possible, what could be your reality. And of course, it takes time and dedication, right, to grow a successful online business. Once you establish the, what strategies you want to use to grow your business, and you start applying them consistently, over time, you're going to see your business grow. Okay. So super excited for that. I'm just going to show you just a couple of shots here while I was on vacation. Had an amazing time. And awesome thing about this opportunity is that there are no monthly fees. You don't have to be paying any monthly fees. You can, pay one time, be part of the opportunity, and start learning, right? Start getting access to the 6-figure blueprint, start educating yourself, and start applying. Okay. I want you to be the next testimonial. I want you to be the next success story. I only want to work with you if you are committed to your success for the next 60 to 90 days. If that is you, then I want to work with you. Go ahead and click on the link below. Go visit infinityprocessingsystem.info. Take action today, right? Once you take action, get one of the levels, you're going to get a welcome email giving you access to the training. And you're going to be added to my Facebook coaching group, where you're going to have more additional training. So take action today. And other than that, I will see you at the top. Ciao, ciao.